Looking to sell your home fast in Dana Point? Our premium home listing package gives you everything you need for a smooth, stress-free sale and maximum exposure. Here's some of what's included when you list with us: 5-star professional cleaning, free handyman service, professional photos and virtual tours, custom opt-in page to capture buyers, social media marketing and retargeting, direct mail campaigns, open houses and MLS listing, email marketing and blog features, seller coverage for all appliance breakdowns including AC during listing contract, Craigslist and Google Ads plus YouTube ads, agent referral network, custom flyers, weekly buyer-seller matches. With our full-service approach, your home gets maximum visibility, professional presentation, and a higher chance of selling faster and for top dollar. Serving homeowners in Dana Point, including nearby areas like Laguna Niguel, Laguna Beach, and all Orange County area. Contact Hadi Bahadori at 949-610-5720 today to learn more about our premium listing package and schedule your free consultation.